Hey guys, today we have a problem known as to sum part 2, where the input array is already sorted. It is a Leetcode medium problem. So what's the problem statement says that we are given an one dimensional array of numbers that is already sorted in non-decreasing order. Uh, we have to find two numbers such that they add up to the target variable. So index 1 and index 2 should add up to the target variable over here, and the range is this. So it's a pretty basic problem and very much straightforward, just like the famous two sum problem over here, but the uh, array is sorted here. So we can just start with the coding section. That first we'll determine the base case. So if number equals to null, then we'll return null over here, and let's take the left pointer as 0 and the right most pointer will be numbers dot length of -1, and then we will use while loop to traverse over the array and increment or decrement the pointer as we go, just like that. And if the numbers of left pointer plus the array numbers of the right pointer is equal to the target variable, then we will just break and return that. And if the numbers of the left pointer plus the numbers with the right pointer is less than the target, then uh, we will just increment the left pointer so that the left side goes along the array, and since it is already in non-decreasing order, it's easier for us to keep on incrementing the left pointer if the target is less. So it will always be less because it is non-decreasing. And finally we will, outside the if statement, we will decrement the right pointer, and lastly we will return the array, a new array of left pointer plus 1 and right pointer plus 1. Let's just uh, where is the run button? Okay, it has accepted my solution, so let's submit it. Yep, that works as well. 90% of the total Java users. We can also optimize this, but it's not needed, to be honest, but it's okay. Let's leave it up here only. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you like this solution, and tomorrow I will upload a next solution about a new problem, so stay tuned. Thank you.